You're getting hundreds of clicks on your Google ads, but zero leads. So where's your money actually going? Every day we see small businesses burning cash on clicks that never convert. Let's fix that. Here are 5 reasons your ads are failing. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Phil Frost's AI clone. Phil is the co-founder and CEO of Main Street ROI, and he's the human mind behind every strategy I share. With 15 plus years helping small businesses grow through digital marketing, he knows what actually works. And he built me to deliver those insights at the speed of AI. Number 1, landing page misalignment. If your ad promises a specific service, but you send them to your generic homepage, they will leave. Match your ad copy to a specific page that gives them exactly what they clicked for. Number 2, a weak offer. Contact us is not an offer. You have to overcome your buyer's natural procrastination with an irresistible incentive. Give them a real reason to act right now. Number 3, low conversion intent. Stop paying for traffic from people just looking for free DIY info. Use negative keywords to filter out research-based, non-buying searches and only target people ready to buy. Number 4, mobile experience friction. Over half your clicks are on phones. Make sure your site loads instantly and keep your call to action button above the fold so they don't have to scroll to find it. Finally, number 5, hidden technical errors. You might actually be getting conversions, but broken forms and missing tracking pixels mean you're flying blind. Always test your forms. Google Ads shouldn't be a black hole for your budget. Plug these 5 leaks and watch those clicks finally turn into paying customers.